Hello crafties, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. So today I'm uploading a full video after a long time. So let's make a quick purple diary. You can use it for journaling or keeping notes. So I am taking papers from my old notebook. You can use A4 printing sheets also. The sizes I have mentioned in the video. You can make a big or little small diary as you need. So here I'm using white paper. You can use aligned ruled papers also, and for the cover I'm using a purple thick A4 sheet, or you can use a thick chart paper also and cut it to the size as I have mentioned. For the cover here I'm using a white gel pen. You can also use white acrylic paint or white paint markers if you have, and just write your favorite quote. I'm here writing just believe in your dreams, because they will guide you to your life path. So here I am writing this quote. It's very fun and easy to make. You just need some old papers and a thick paper for cover. Like very cheap and easy aesthetic diary you can have. You can make it at home easily. And just some decorations here and there, some stars and Saturn. Some detailings, and it's done. I am making these lines. You can avoid it if you don't want. Yes, stick the first and the last pages to the diary, and here it is done. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more such videos. I have made many more diaries. You can check on my channel and more journal videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.